wamasela hawuwe hawuwe umbuso wamasela hawuwe die Ramaphosa die Ramaphosa die run Helen Zille run Helen Zille run GNU party GNU party GNU party Manda comrades, please let's give umholi wase-180 i-attention ngoba comrades into ecacile la ebonwa yizwe lonke our government has failed. Kuhlulekile ukulalela abantu bafike bavota kwacaca lonke ilizwe ukuthi abasamdingi se-office but uhlezi khona ngenkani wathatha izwe walinikeza amaphuli wathatha izwe walinikeza uHelen Zille. Namhlanje comrades abantu aba-athi uyikhansela labo beze kuyena ukuze bazomazisa ngezikhala abanazo ekuhlaleni akanaso ngisho isibindi sokuzovela akwazi ukusho ukuthi kasiyanizwa lokhu sizokulungisa nini kanjani kusho ukuthi la kahle kahle sisenza amahlathi ahlulekile. So comrades ngoba thina we are responsible citizens isikhathi ebesizimisele ngokuzohlala la sesisihlalile izwe libonile wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi this government has failed us. So the statement has been made. Ngicela ukunikeza umholi wase-180 asinikeze umkhombandlela kusuka manje comrades as responsible citizens sidispense sikwazi ukubuyela emakhaya sisenzile istatement. This is not the last one. Akuzokuqala sigcine la uzoqhubeka lo mzabalazo bayoze beze ukuthi i-MK ifikile and i-MK ikhathele ukuphathwa amasela amandla. No comrades, because now comrades uThabani basambizile mhlambe bafuna ukumtshela ukuthi uselalo umuntu esimlindile because kahle kahle into esifunayo sifuna yena. Amen.
Lana-ke kungesikhathi-ke lapho-ke sebezwa-ke ukuthi-ke hhayi sesifikile-ke isithunywa sikaSpeaker esizothatha i-memorandum. Lapho-ke uzozwa-ke wena ufunda i-memorandum nalapho-ke isithunywa sesiyisayina isithunywa sikaSpeaker esiqhamuka kumasipala. Okwakho nje ukuthi ubuke-ke uzwe ukufunda kwe-memorandum.
Comrades, amaphoyisa la kanye nobhuti esizekuyena uthi inkulumo esizoyiletha la ayisevibalekile. Lo wamsindo lapha is just petty noise. Into efana namagundane nje mayigijima phezulu. Yabo. So uyacela ukuthi kumnyama bonjalo asiqhubeke neprocess. So ngicela uyithatha le advice. Thank you sir. Yabonga kakhulu. Idemand yokuqala bese siyacela ukuthi uSpeaker because kuyi-responsibility yakhe the council misbehavior uyena boss yakhe ukuthi ke manje lo msebenzi omhlulayo esiubhalela ukuconvene umphakathi asiconvenele umphakathi ke thina ehholo sizoba khona sonke mase sibizo Speaker. Number 2 idemand yesibili we are saying ukuthi that mass meeting should be held within 14 days. Yebo. Sicela ukuthi within 14 days ubuswe lo mhlangano usubanjiwe womphakathi. Do not be misled by Omanala Ngutshele. The meeting yomphakathi. Now we also demand that there be an investigation conducted by the office of the Speaker in relation to Miss L. Lindiwe alleged misconduct and breach of conduct. Esiyimentionile by the way, khona la kumaluntu sakhe. The evidence that you speaker siyafisa ukuthi uyinote le. I-evidence edinga uspeaker, yes. Asevile investigation yesonto kuphela. Ucela nje ama-contract wonke nama-project wonke akhona ebranchini nakaba khona for the last 6 months. Uzoyithola into esiyimenshina la ephepheni. Ngidlulele phambili mfundisho. We also demand that the office of the speaker must respond to our demands as the community within 7 working days. This should state not only the receipt of the memorandum, but also the intentions, or the intended intentions deemed necessary by the office of the speaker in relation to the concerns that are raised by Umphakathi above. Yours and community development, convener, deputy convener, Unhlakanipho Khanyile, kube uconvener uNdumiso Jiyeza, kube uchief marshal wethu, engicela simshayele izandla indlela ayibambe ngawo lo mkhumbu, yena umuntu who was supposed to instill discipline. Comrade uSampele, ngicela uvele la ukhona comrade, come on. Ubhizi ne-security, ubhizi nje ne-safety and security. Where is he? Oh, hayi comrade. No, ukhona kodwa la yena comrade wakade esibambele into yokumashala, into yokuthi sihamba sisuka la soka khona siza la, we maintain ivumelane esivumelane ngazo nama-authorities ukuthi sizobehave emgaqweni size sofika la. Njengoba nawasawabona nje amamashala esabambene kamnandi kanje, it is a work comrade. Sicela sibashayele izandla namamashali esanamhlanje. Sizocela-ke your assurance colleague ukuthi le correspondence izofika in time ku-speaker, and lama deadline dates esiwabeke la, they will be met. Siyazi ukuthi that's not your place because now you report to the speaker yourself. But ukuthi izofika in time and we will get our responses as suggested. Cela usayinele ke leyo eyakho nayo original ehamba ne-petition. Malunga Hloniphekile ase Ward 80. Our mission for today is complete. Siyabonga kakhulu idiscipline yenu comrades. Naku-MK ngokukhethekile. There's not even a single organization which decided ukuzosupport lo mphakathi ekwenzeni sure ukuthi lama grievances ayafika la kufanele afike khona. Sicela ukubonga kakhulu isupport yenu. Sibonga siphezulu. Comrades, now siyazi ukuthi njengoba size la nje kunoma nala ngitshele abangalalanga ubusuku bonke beplanela thina. So manje sizocela comrades ukuthi sigadane because asibazi ukuthi abesingazange kubona. By the way, this is the man of the day. Wena umuntu ebesizekuyena lo obezothatha naye memorandum ahamba ukuthi ke bese siplanela ukwenze njani abantu bengalali. Yabo bathi ke comrades, into ebalekile ukuthi mase sihamba njengamanje sisaphephile, u-SAPS nangu, u-Metropolis nangu, they've been with us yonke le ndlela and benza sure ukuthi safe. Namanje noma sesibele emakhaya siyacela comrades ukuthi sigadane sibe safe because we do not know ukuthi yini abanayo up their sleeves comrades. Manja Sangana Ward 80, Sangana Ward 80, Sangana.
Sanibona mphathi waseward 8. Mhlawumbe umuntu waqala ngokuxolisa ngoba uma sikhuluma ngey'ngcingo kahlupha ngoba sikutholile ukucinga ukuthi kwenzekani phakathi kwethu. Kodwa-ke besixhumana no-organizer bemashi, saxhumana nabo. Kwaba ney'mwana-ke njengoba nibonile ukuthi kushintshe usuku, angithi kushintshe i-date. I-date esasikhulume ngayo yagcina seshile engaseyona leya date le kwakhulunywe ngayo, kwasuka kuningana-ke. Angithi khona abantu behlelile njenganathi ekumele nabo sibanike ithuba sikwazi ukubabona ngebhadi bathatha isikhathi esijanale umuntu ogcina selibala. Ngicela ukuxolisa kakhulu on behalf of umkhandlu waseThekwini, on behalf of Speaker, on behalf of uMayor, njengabantu abasuke besiphumile ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe seduzana uma kulezi zinto ezingefanele zingathathelwe for umkhandlu. Siyaxolisa kakhulu nje ukulibazisa kangaka nokulihlalisa elangeni isikhathi eside kangaka. Kodwa isiqiniseko mhlawumbe sesidlula kule memorandum, isiqiniseko siyasho impela ukuthi yebo memorandum siyithathile and sokwenza njengoba kufanele ukuthi sidlulisele lapho kufanele sifike khona. Makunama-matters e-service delivery, will extend them to ama-department lawo are-relevant. Kube sokuthi le mhlambe le iy'nhlaka lezi ey'thintayo sezigcina ziyatholakala, and siqiniseka ukuthi nakusomlomo uzoba nayo ikopi ye-memorandum yase-ward 8 njengoba isicelo sakhe njengoba sithumile. Siyaxolisa kakhulu ngokunibambezela. Sibonge kakhulu kodwa nendlela okuyiphatha-ke nabo zakwethu ade vele behleli nani. Sibonge nihambe kahle seni emakhaya. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Manja awethu comrades, njengoba sengishilo comrades, sicela ukuthi sikhululane kodwa masisuka njengamanje siyagadana comrades, amasihamba nje endleleni sama ndawonye siyagadana nje comrades kuze kuqale kudisipezwe la ezansi ngathi abantu sebehlukana iy'ndlela zabo comrades. Iyezwakala comrades? Siyabonga kakhulu comrades and siyabonga siphezi the fact nje ukuthi nilani sober, anithengelwa ngatshwala njengabanye sober comrades. Bafowethu, nangu organizer wami le ethi ngoba u-2026 usuku la iduze ucela masihamba ubucomrade unyengelezi.